Judicial leadership is a cornerstone of the system reform efforts of the National Council of Juvenile and Family Court Judges Implementation Sites Project. Lead judges of this project are uniquely positioned to facilitate systems reform and are essential catalysts for improving our court's responses to child abuse and neglect. In Georgia, children are parties, so they are present in court. The Enhanced Resource Guidelines emphasize a new focus on trauma for juvenile courts and encourage creating an environment that reduces a child's stress, incorporates practices that are sensitive to trauma triggers, and promotes healing. We pay more attention to what is said and done in the presence of children. I routinely ask the parties to address the children's issues and concerns first. I ask if there are going to be sensitive issues for which the child needs to be excused, and then do we have a child-friendly place available with appropriate supervision. I take precautions with children who've been removed from their parents and are dealing with separation. I prepare children before the court hearing begins, telling them that they will see their parents again and a plan will be made for them to reunify. I also pay attention to how I engage parents in the presence of their children, avoiding statements that are harsh while still holding the parents accountable. I can excuse the children to address the parents without causing additional stress and trauma to the children. We really want to understand the trauma they have experienced as part of abuse and neglect and make sure that our system isn't re-traumatizing them by the way we conduct court. We also have to know and understand the trauma parents have experienced to assure that they receive the services necessary to change and to heal. Substance use and mental health diagnoses cannot be adequately addressed without addressing trauma. Our court also implemented a therapy dog program. Therapy dogs are present in court and serve as a source of comfort and support for children and adults as difficult decisions are being made. As judges, we have the responsibility for creating a safe environment that promotes health and healing for children and their parents.